Good morning. It is 9:20 a.m. It is the day before I leave on my trip. Do y'all ever feel like packing is the most hectic and chaotic thing you have to do before a trip? Me too. Yeah, I leave in the morning and I have not packed nothing. I ended up having to go get a new suitcase. The first one was too small. The one I had prior to that, someone chewed the zipper. So yeah, I've been up. I haven't combed my hair. It's still raining in Georgia. So let's get this suitcase packed. Yeah, this is what I have. We are officially packed. We have officially packed. Whatever I don't have, we just don't have it. We packed, y'all. I can guarantee you this. I won't ever wait till the last minute to pack again. Ever. And then, next year, this is not for doggies. No, ma'am. Next year, I'm gonna make it my business to, I'm tired, y'all, just move that suitcase. And I hope it's not too heavy when they weigh it, but hey, it is what it is. And then looking at the weather, it's supposed to rain 95%. 2 days, Thursday and Friday. So some of that stuff in that suitcase might not even get warm. And all that packing, sweating, blood, sweat, tears, it's gonna be out the door. Because if we get rained out for 2 days, that's gonna mess up half our plans. Anyway, we got that done. My mind is still going 100. It's still chaotic because I feel like I need to go to Ulta and pick up a few items. I just want to go see how they work. I've never shopped at Ulta. I just want to go see how they work because everybody is so into Ulta. I said, let me go see what the hype is. So I think I might run to Ulta right quick since it's still early. Because I'm actually getting nervous now because you know how you set your alarm and you feel like you're going to miss your alarm going off and you're going to miss your plane. That's how I feel. I do that every time I'm going somewhere or I got to set my alarm for something. I always have this crazy dream that I either missed my flight or I woke up late. And when I do wake up, it's still like 4 or 5 hours before my alarm's supposed to go off. So, yeah, we're gonna get that done. You gonna miss me? Are you gonna miss me? Every time you see me eating something, you want it. You can't have this. This is iced latte with three French vanilla swirl, 2 pumps of liquid cane sugar. Y'all can't talk today. Oat milk and cold foam. This is all I order. This is the only drink I order from Dunkin' Donuts. I've never really tried any other drink, but this is all I order. I love it. And I'll do the avocado with bacon. That's my favorite. I love it. That's all I order from there. And it's so crazy because the lady that works in the drive-thru know me by name now. And I haven't seen her in a while. So I hope she's okay. But yeah, let me go run to Ulta and see if I can find these products. I might just look online for them first to see if they have it and then go pick them up. But y'all, we through packing. Cheers. It's time to take on New York. See what this city is all about. The mailman running early. I need you to stop licking me. Yes, thank you. I don't need a bath. I took one last night. I did. You need one. But let's go to Ulta. See y'all when I get there. Y'all, I feel better now. Got my nails done. Oh, they're so pretty. They look so natural. Now we got our Ulta.
Ginger ale. I just want me a nice cup of coffee. Okay. Then from
I sure I could have ran in there.
yeah, we went at barbecue, but we went to a good barbecue. Then they had good margaritas.
I know you want to talk about yourself.
Right girl, I want to know. I want to take camera. Yeah, we get my friend. Was that loud, girl? Oh! When they did that meal, you snoring. Last night. I'm snoring all the time. I said, yeah, that's snoring. It's okay. You don't. Yeah, she right. It's good for me. Call them, Chadford. All right. Well, we got a car that you to take. Tartar sauce? Where the sauce is? Over here. All right. They got tartar down there?
Yeah, it's some sauce. It's some sauce. Pass that now. Follow the flow.
Tiffany, everybody.
There's so many people out here.
I'm gonna say
Oh.
Right? Yeah.
Hey, wait, question. You still gonna get your mom on Tuesday? You're ready to board in a few. Huh?
Hey y'all. Y'all. I got back from New York Sunday night. Got home about 11. Y'all, New York was so fun. It was so fun. Despite me packing at the last minute, I had to go buy a new suitcase. My suitcase being overweight, so I had to dish out some more money to pay for my bags. Other than that, y'all, New York was so fun. That was a whole new experience for me. Going to Jamaica was an experience. Going to New York, mind you now, when I was in high school, when I had my first little job, I knew about catching the bus, going to the train station, catching the train, hopping on another bus, doing transfers. But that's been so long ago. Y'all, when I got to New York, once we got out of the terminal, got our bags, we had to catch a bus. And when I tell you the bus was full, we had to stand up. I had a book bag, I had my purse, and I had this big old 56-pound suitcase. It was on wheels, of course. Y'all, them people out there drive crazy. The bus ride, you better get on that bus, find you a spot, and you better hold on to that rail. And you better hold on to your bag because they gonna roll. But that bus ride, it was fast, it was bumpy. I think we had about 8 or 9 stops. Once we got off the bus, we had to go to the subway. Y'all, I had to lug that big, heavy suitcase down some stairs, 2 sets of stairs, and get on the train. The train was packed. So, no offense to no New Yorkers that's on this channel, but y'all don't move out the way. You got to get in where you fit in. When the doors open, you better get on that bus. You better get on that subway train. And you better find you a spot, and you better hold on. Because they're not going to move. Sometimes the bus was empty. You got a seat. But it seemed like everybody was getting off at the same spot. At the same stop. Whoever drive those trains, they be getting it down those tracks. Because, honey, they was getting it. But after about the second day, oh, we was getting on the subway like we was New Yorkers for real. It wasn't no thing. Reading the sign, get on the train. It was actually fun. It was fun going back and forth on the train. But if that train is downstairs and you at the top of the stairs, you better run your butt down them steps and get on that train because those doors will close. They will close. But other than that, New York was a whole vibe. Times Square, oh my goodness. Times Square was off the chain. It was so many people. I have never seen that many people in my life. So just imagine what the peach drop, not the peach drop. Just imagine New Year's Eve when the apple dropped. Just imagine all those people out there. They had people taking pictures. They had people dancing. They had a gold man statue. Stores everywhere. Pizza, food. Macy's had 7 floors. Y'all, We were so tired, we only made it to the 3rd floor. We had to go back to our room. But other than that, I got to see the Statue of Liberty. I got to get on the ferry. We went to Central Park. We went to Harlem. I got to see the Apollo. We couldn't go inside. We ate good food, good breakfast. Their Macy's, I actually want to go back. I want to go back just to shop because their Macy's has a Gucci, Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton store. I forgot what the other big one is. Anyway, they had all of that. They had Forever 21, Foot Locker, Old Navy. And just to hear New Yorkers talk, it is so wild to me. They say I talk funny because I'm from the country. But to hear New Yorkers talk, I just sat there and listened to this one girl because she was going off on somebody on the phone. And I just love the way she talked. But yeah, New York was a whole different vibe. There was a lot of homeless people out there. A lot. And they were young. There was a lot of young people. Now I see homeless people down here, but it was a lot of homeless people down there. Sleeping on the train, sleeping on the subways. It was a lot. But yeah, I would definitely go back. I wouldn't go back to Jamaica. You know, I went once, I saw, I'm good. I wouldn't go back there. But New York, I'll go back. I'll stay in Times Square and go shop and come back home. That's about it. But New York was so fun. I was ready to come back home after about day 3. Because, you know, when you go out of town and your little friend pops up, you don't be wanting to do anything. But I made it through. I was prepared. Anyway, I'm always prepared. I knew it was coming, but yeah, I made it through. All the walking, subway hopping, bus hopping. It rained 2 days, but we still got out there and went sightseeing. We didn't let the rain stop us. We was prepared. We had rain boots. We had rain jackets, rain umbrellas. We was ready. Saturday and Sunday, it was sunny. It was still cold, but it was sunny. But we had a good time. We had a very good time. I'm glad to be back at home because we had to take one plane, lay over in Cleveland, and then take another plane home. So it was all good. It was a good flight, a very smooth flight. I don't know what my next trip will be with my friends. We normally go every 2 years. So hopefully it's somewhere exciting. But y'all, New York was a whole vibe. It was a whole vibe. I had a great time. So, gonna go home and I actually unpacked my bags. I washed my clothes. Only thing I need to do now is tackle that room that I was trying to tackle before I left. I got a lot of clothes I need to put up, hang up, sort through. I got to take some boots back because I wore some boots Saturday and those jokers hurt my feet. We went to see Alicia Keys play Hell's Kitchen. That was the bomb. 2 hours and 35 minutes. Alicia Keys, you did that. That was the best. I've seen Tyler Perry plays, but not in person. But that play right there blew me away. That was the best singing, the best performance. That was everything. I didn't even care. We had to walk back to the subway and get on the train at 11:30 at night and walk back to our hotel in the rain. That's just how good that play was. It was amazing. We had a good time. We conquered New York. We tackled a lot of things. Central Park, the ferry, Statue of Liberty, Hell's Kitchen. We ate brunch. Went to Harlem, saw the Apollo. What else did we do? Times Square. I think that's it. I think that's all we did. We stuck to our itinerary to the T. Rain, sleet, or snow, we made it happen. But yeah, anyway, I'm about to go stop and take my husband some lunch. Go back home, finish cleaning up because I did my homework when I woke up yesterday. I did both of my assignments, so I'm gonna do my other one that's due Thursday. I'm gonna get that out the way. And finish washing my clothes. And hopefully I can start making some videos and start editing some videos. And I'm gonna put a few little clips of our trip in this video. I keep saying this is gonna be my first video. Hopefully this will be my first video, because I got about 5 or 6 videos. I may put all that together. Yeah, I may do that. I may put all those videos together that I kept procrastinating about, saying I'm gonna make this my first video. I'm gonna make that one my first video. Yeah, I might put little snippets in all, put them all in one and make me a video. We're gonna get this vlogging down. We're gonna get it down. But anyway, let me go take my husband his lunch, go back to the house, and I'll talk to y'all later.